Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Pisces at yung mga bago po nating viewers. So, tignan po natin kung ano yung message na gusto sabihin sa inyo. And we have a jumping card, Express Your Love, Pisces. Nagmamadali siyang paalam sa'yo. To express your love, go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So, huwag na daw kang magkaroon ng second thoughts. Gawin mo na agad at ipaalam, ipahiwatig, iparating, sabihin, isulat, i-text, i-email, whatever, kung paano mo kailangan masabi o ma-express yung pagmamahal na ito. Kailangan makarating do sa person na yon. Okay, so tignan natin kung ano yung message na gustong sabihin sa'yo sa tarot. We have the Page of Cups, the Queen of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the Seven of Wands. So, bottom niya is the Hangman, your energy, Pisces. Okay, so, ang nangyayari ngayon wala, basically. Walang nangyayari. Yan ang problema, Pisces. Kung gabay, stagnant. Walang movement, walang dating, walang galaw, walang neha-neho, wala lahat. Naka-steady lang. Wherein, dapat, sana ito na yung stage na nagpaplano na for the future o nakatanggap ka na dapat ng marriage proposal na merong maglakas ng loob, no? Yung person mo maglakas na talaga ng loob para matanggap mo tong marriage proposal na to at hindi na siya magkaroon ng pag-aalinlangan, to balance things with the Two Pentacles. So, you might be dealing, Pisces, with an Aries, o meron siyang Aries sa kanyang chart. So, yun yung inaano mo Sa ngayon kasi wala nangyayari, wherein sana meron ng proposal ka dapat natatanggap kung magte-take ng risk itong person na to at hindi na siya magdidili-dali. Dili-dali is just like parang, oo ba, hindi, oo, hindi. Tutuloy ko ba ito? Hindi. Tutuloy ko ba? Ganon. Hindi niya pa ma-make up yung kanyang mind. Hindi pa siya sure. Kaya ikaw, waiting. Waiting ka, waiting. Kasi nung nakaraan, nagbigay naman siya ng pahiwatig, no? Binigyan kanya ng message of love. Yung person mo, Pisces. Pinalam naman niya na gusto ka niya, mahal ka niya, na seryoso siya sa'yo. But the thing is, maybe you don't find na itong tao na to is totoo yung sinasabi niya dito, yung ine-express niyang love. Hindi ka pa totally makapaniwala kasi for one, you might be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, so meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. Kaya, probably siya yung person na talagang who would really, siya yung person probably na talagang hindi mo pa nakikitaan ng seriousness, no, pagdating sa pakikipag-relationship sa'yo. Kaya medyo challenging pa rin, nakikita mo. Though sabihin natin na ayaw mo to let go, you don't want to let go of this relationship kasi nakikita mo naman yung potential no? May potential na talagang maging kayo, magkatuluyan kayo. And since ang gusto talaga is maging mabilis lahat, madaliin na yung takbo o relationship, yung para bang ano nang gagawin natin. Parang maghihintay ba tayo ng 1 taon, 2 taon? Ano bang plano natin? Kasi kung if you agree with me, since na may feelings naman ako sa'yo, may feelings ka rin sa akin, bakit hindi pa natin planuhin this year? O magsama na tayo? Things like that, no? Yun yung, kung ba yung intention na let's parang speed up everything. But of course, the advice is for you to be cautious. Ang advice sa'yo is, teka muna, dahan-dahan lang. Protektahan mo muna tong sarili mo. Huwag kang magmadali. Don't be in a hurry. Be defensive about your feelings. No, wag mo agad ibigay lahat. Not this energy. Okay? Na parang may speed, nagmamadali. It is okay to express your love. Diba? Maganda yun to let the person know exactly, okay, na oo, I have this romantic feeling towards you. Maganda yun. But you have to be also mindful. Iisipin mo rin naman, no, kung talaga bang seryoso to. Kasi baka hindi. You know, kung gaba, if there's anybody holding tightly dito sa relationship na to, it's you, Pisces. But your person might not be. Kaya kung gaba, ingat-ingat lang. Ngayon, tignan natin, bakit andito yung Page of Cups? We have the 3 of Cups, the Page of Swords, and the 9 of Wands. So, yung offer of love na binibigay niya is really something na very simple, no? Maybe have a date so you could get to know each other. Mapag-usapan nyo ang isa't isa. Diba? And kung gabal, parang let's wait. Let's wait and see kung saan to dadalhin. Saan dadalhin yung relationship natin. Okay? Kasi kung gaba parang you're still in the stage of getting to know each other. Bakit nandito yung Queen of Wands? Okay. Nandito yung Queen of Wands. We have the 9 of Swords, the 4 of Cups, and the Chariot. Now, ano ba yung nagiging challenging sa'yo is because of yung characteristics nga nito, napakiramdam mo na hindi siya seryoso, is really giving you so much tension and something to think about. Kasi nga, baka yung ino-offer sa'yo na love is, alam mo yun, nagkakaroon ka ng second thoughts. Parang iniisip mo na, hindi ko muna to masyadong bigyan ng halaga kasi baka katulad din siya ng iba na niloko lang ako. Kaya kung gaba parang medyo nag-hold ka, no? You're holding back your emotions. Wherein, ang sinasabi dito na you have to move forward. You have to move forward with speed, no? Chariot kasi is a fast-moving energy. This is an energy coming from a Cancer. So, kung ba parang sinasabi na para hindi ka mag-worry at magkaroon ng mga agam-agam is to move forward. No? Gawin mo yung gusto mong gawin. Kasi this person is, kung ba, andyan naman siya, no? To provide you yung company, the pleasure, entertainment, no, is, of course, the fact na very attractive itong person na to, fun to be with, yun yung qualities niya no, nitong person na to. But let us see, bakit andito yung Four of Pentacles? Andito yung andito yung Four of Pentacles. We have the Ten of Wands, the Three of Wands, and the Sun. Now, bakit you're holding tightly dito sa relationship na to? It's because, yes, nafe-feel mo yung burden, no? Na because parang kailangan mag-move forward na, but you're still waiting for something. You know, you're waiting na to make sure na you are really happy dito sa person na to. Na magiging successful itong relationship na to. Maybe you wanted to give time dito sa relationship to test, no, para itignan kung talaga bang masubukan, kung talaga bang ito yung tao na talaga bigay sa akin ng kaligayahan. Bakit andito yung Knight of Swords? We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, and the Hermit. Card is the Hangman. So, yung intention niya na maging mabilis, no? O alamin agad. Ano ba? Nakasalalay dito kasi yung future ng family. Your person, if you're dealing with a Virgo, Pisces, might be married already. Okay? And that will bring you heartache. Sakit sa damdamin yung dala nito. Okay? Sakit sa damdamin. Yung intention mo is maging kayo agad, mabilis. Madi-disappoint ka lang kasi kung sabi ko nga, if you're dealing with a Virgo, your Virgo person is already married. Now, bakit andito yung Seven of Wands? But andito yung Seven of Wands? We have the Five of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Ace of Swords. Bottom is the Eight of Cups. So Pisces, di ba, ang advice sa'yo is to be protective of your heart. Protective na to a point na ang pinoprotektahan mo is magkaroon ng conflict. Yung kaguluhan. Hindi lang sa sarili mo, kundi pati sa mga ibang tao na magiging involved dito sa relationship na to. It could be your family, your friends, or co-workers, or anybody close to you. Ganon din yung person mo. So, nag-a-avoid kayo doon. And that's why you are given, the opportunity to choose other options, na pumili ng iba. Kasi, para makita mo na meron pang baka masigit sa'yo kesa dito sa tao na to. Kasi since this person is already married, o kung gawa meron na siyang in a relationship, masasaktan ka lang, di ba? With the Three of Swords. That you have to see. That is the truth. That is the damn truth. Kung gawa parang ito yung reality na hinaharap mo. And this is the time now to face it, no? Harapin mo to. Na talagang meron na siyang pananagutan. Kaya dapat lang mag-isip ka na kung merong iba pang mas makakabuti para sa'yo. Since I think what you will be doing is to walk away. You will be walking away from this, diba? From all of this. Kasi that is the right thing to do. Although sabihin natin na express mo talaga yung love mo dito sa person na to, one way or the other. Pero if it's not meant to be, then it's not. Diba? I think you have to accept the fact na there must be somebody else meant for you. Kasi andito yung for you to choose others. No option. The option for you to choose another one. Meron pang heart doon, di ba? If you choose the right one, then you will find your love. Kasi ang nandito, if you walk away, you will find your true soulmate. And things will change. Nakikita mo to, Pisces? If you walk away from this relationship, you will find your past lover, the one, your true soulmate, and that will change everything. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung message na gusto sabihin sa'yo, Pisces. Ang person mo. I am not available. I told you. We need to let each other go. Diba? I left you before you could leave me. Umalis na siya bago mo siya iwanan. Kung ba inunahan ka niya na, umalis na siya bago mo siya iwanan. Kasi alam niya na hindi pwede. Hindi na siya available. Kaya kailangan mo nang to let go. Find another one na much better. Kasi nakita mo yung pinakita ko sa'yo. So Pisces, that is the one that you should look for. This is the one you should be focusing your energy. The person coming in. And forget about this past person na may relationship na. Okay? I hope na katulong ito sa iyo, Pisces. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.